Good morning, student. Today to start with our topic marketing mix, we are continuing with marketing and our topic for today is customer relationship management, which is most important in today's world. Now, customer relationship management all covers all aspects of interaction that a company has with customer, whatever it is sales or service related. It is a process of managing carefully detailed information about individual customers in order to manage loyalty. Like take an example, if you are going to buy an Allen Solly shirt. Now, when you buy that, a form is given to you, or your feedback is taken from time to time on your birthdays and other dates, special dates. They call you or give you a message. That is consumer relation management. So CRM not only encompasses the direct interaction aspect such as sales or service related processing, but also in the forecasting and analysis of customer trends and behaviors, which ultimately serve to enhance the customer's overall experience. Now this diagram shows you how it works. Now marketing is there, after marketing sales are there, orders are there, then support is there. So you have to, this is a cycle which leads one to another. Now objective of customer relation management is understand the customer, what customer needs, what is his psychology, you have to understand. Retain customer through better customer experience, attract new customers, win new clients and contracts, increase profitability, decrease customer management cost. We have to decrease at the same time. Then how customer relation management is used today? It enables companies to provide excellent real-time customer service through the effective use of individual account information. Based on the data about the valued customer, companies can customize market offerings, services, programs, messages, and media. Customer relation management solution provide a business required data about customers and help it to provide services or products that customer want. So CRM system today are used to manage business contracts, clients, contracts, wins, and sales leads. Now impact of technology, building relationship with customer require data of the customer. If data is to be used, it has to be readily accessible and error free. However, it has been suggested that organizations are not ready for implementation of CRM as their data is not good enough. In research conducted in the UK in the year 2000, it was found that none of the organizations had data that is completely up to date, error free, and usable for CRM. Now impact of technology. So an advanced technology offers a perfect solution to the above problem pertaining to data management. Advancement in technology has offered new ways for companies to communicate with customers and collect and store data about them. So with each advancement in technology, especially the web and the smartphone, customer relationship is being managed electronically. Like take an example of your Arogya Setu also. What is this? This is the use of technology. They are tracking you whether you are in contact with any person who is suffering from COVID-19 or your moments. So each and everything. The same goes for the companies also. Thank you.